The next witness evidence that we wish to refer to, it's the evidence of Ms. Zandile Khumalo regarding the issue of the hoodie.
Ufakazi olandelayo esifuna ukukhuluma ngaye manje ubufakazi buka Nkosazana Zandile Khumalo maqondana ke nehoodie. Ukhumbula ukuthi usafungile wemnumzana.
Yebo Nkosazana.
The witness confirms that he's still under oath, my lord.
Yes, thanks.
Her evidence appears in the record of the proceedings of the 19th of July 2023, page 48, line 22. Ms. Zandile Khumalo testified as follows. Ms. Khumalo, suspect 2 is the one that had a hoodie, following the one with dreadlocks.
Ubufakazi bakhe sizobheka ku page 48. Ngizokufundela usuku mase ngithole lamaphepha kumshushisi. Uzofunda manje ngizobe sengiyakhumushela. Ubufakazi bakhe bangesi 19 zika July 2023 ekhasini unumber 48 sicala ke emgqeni noma iline number 22 lapho ke kufundeka kanje uMiss Khumalo noma uNkosazana Khumalo ukhulume kanje umsolwa wesibili uyena owayegqoke ihood elandela lowo onezinwele zama dreadlocks.
Now, once again, Mr. Ntanzi, you have Constable Sizwe Zungu on the one hand talking about the fact that you had a hoodie on, as well as a witness who was in the house who says you also had a hoodie on.
Kuphindeka futhi mnumzana Ntanzi kunobufakazi ngapha kulinye ihlangothi bukaZungu obuthi ke wawugqoke ihoodie. Siphinde futhi sibe nobufakazi bukaNkosazana Khumalo naye othi futhi wawugqoke ihoodie.
Nkosazana ngilona iqiniso le.
My lord, that is not true.
Azange nje ngize ngibe noZungu, mina uZungu angimazi ngiqala ukumbona bengena lapha ekhona.
I had never been in the company of Zungu. I do not know him. I first saw him when he came or entered the court.
Ngisho yena uKhumalo labakhuluma ngaye angizange nje azange ngene endlini yakuba ngazi nakwazi endlini yakubo.
Even Khumalo, who is being quoted here, I never ever entered, neither do I even know her house.
Now, if we can once again refer to Exhibit J, the affidavit of Warrant Officer Amanda Yvonne Steenkamp at page 5.
Sizophinda ke futhi sibheke ubufakazi isiqephu J okuyistatement esifungelwe.
It's a paragraph that we referred to earlier on.
Isigaba noma iparagraph esikhulume ngayo
Regarding the observations of Mr. T. Makaleni. The fifth witness, Mr. T. Makaleni, residing at Mzamo 3942, compiled the face of suspect B. He saw 3 unknown African males in the vicinity of the gas station. Busy on the cell phone, he saw them again at Kelly's mom's house. Suspect B stood at the gate. He gave the following description: African male, 25 years, 1.80 meter tall, slender build, medium brown complexion, then clothing, black hooded top.
Ngizokufundela futhi ngicaphuneke okufungelwe kobhaliswa ke kulesi statement. Siqale ku exactly it's line number.
From the beginning
Oh, from
of
the
the
beginning.
paragraph.
Thank you. Lapho ke okufungelwe uAmanda Ivono kaSteenkamp wakufungela wakusho efungile ekhuluma ke ngaloko okuthiwa kubonwe ufakazi umnumzane T Makaleni ohlala ke eMzamo 3942 ngenkathi kuzana ukuthi kudwetshwe ubuso bomsolwa uB wathi ubone amadoda amathathu abalisa bomdabu bude buduze nesiteshi sika petrolom bebhizi kuma cell phones wayesasho ukuthi futhi ubone ke endlini kamama kaKelly umsolelwa uB eme ngasesangweni wayesechaza lokho okulandelayo ukuthi lo msolelwa ungumlisa womdala oneminyaka 25 ubudala ubude bungu 1.8 kanti ke unomzimba ozacile kanti ke ukuthi ngokwebala uthanda ukuthi akabe phakathi naphakathi ukuba nsundu impahla ezigcokile wayigcoke i-top ethanda ukuthi ibe nehudu ngaphezulu emnyama. Yes.
Now, once again, Mr. Ntanzi, you have Constable Sizwe Zungu on the one hand who says you had a black hoodie before you changed into a gray one, and we have Makaleni who says suspect B had a black hoodie.
Yaphinde futhi ke mnumzane Ntanzi kolunye uhlangothi sino mnumzane Zungu othi ke wawugqoke ihudu emnyama ngaphambi kokuba ushintshe ufake eyombala ogray. Siphinde sibe ke no mnumzane Makaleni kolunye uhlangothi naye oqinisa ukuthi wawugqoke ihudu emnyama.
Othi mina ngangigqoke usude mama usho njalo.
Did he say that I was wearing a black tracksuit?
Black hoodie.
Ihoodie kushuthi
We just read out the passage to you.
Usho mina ngifuna ukwazi la wena.
No, but my
Usho
question,
mina uthi mina Ntanzi ngangigqoke usude.
Suspect B, we say he's
my
suspect B.
question is, was he referring to me, Ntanzi? Or uyaphendula komshushisi ngisakubuza uthi ukhulume ngomsolwa uB. Wathi umsolwa uB.
Because enkantolo okokuqala mina uZungu angimazi because akazange be noZungu mina. Since nje ngiqala ukumbona lapha ecourt.
My Lord, first of all, I do not know Zungu. I saw him for the first time here in court. I never knew him since then.
Futhi because enkantolo akaze ngiye ngisho eFosolas angiyazi nakuyazi eFosolas lapha basho khona emzini kwaKhumalo.
I never went to Fosloras. I don't even know the house that they are talking about, Khumalo's house in Fosloras.
We just want to make sure that we understand you correct. Are you saying you never went to Fosloras?
Ngifuna ukuzwisisa kahle ukuthi ngikuzwa kahle na Ntanzi ukuthi wena ukaze ulibhade awuzange uye eFosloras.
Ngisho ngalelanga kukhulunywa ngalapha manje sikhuluma nge26 phambi kwecourt.
I'm talking about the day in question here. Aren't we talking about the 26th before this court now?
Ngelanga lelo notshela ngale court nanganginozungu uzungu lo engingamazi engiqala ukumbona lapha ecourt.
I'm referring to the particular day on which you allege I was in the company of Zungu. I do not know Zungu, that Zungu. I saw him for the first time right here in court.
Ngisho uZandi noTumela ngiqala ukubabona lapha ecourt.
Even Zandi and Tumelo, I saw them for the first time here in court.
The evidence of the next witness that we wish to refer to regarding the issue of the hoodie is the evidence of Sergeant Mohani as appears in the proceedings of 2 November 2023 at page 39. We'll give you the copy. We're going to refer extensively to his evidence. Now, starting at line 15, we asked Sergeant Mohani what happened after the proceedings there at Foslores Court. Then at line 17, Sergeant Mohani, we realized that it was still during the day, it was not yet dark, and still we were still continuing with the same case on which we were. I called Captain Gininda. He then suggested that we should go back to Phokeng, where he was staying, that is now yourself, Santanzi, to go and try and find the hoodie that he was wearing. It is the same one that seemed to appear in the photo. We then proceeded to go to Phokeng. Now, the photo that is being referred to here is Exhibit BB, which we showed to you.
Awake ngizophinde ngikhombe ke ubufakazi buka Sergeant Mohani bangomhla zi-2 November 2023 ukutholakala ku page 39 ku line 15 no line 17.
We'll give you the transcript.
So ngeza manje iphepha lapho kushicilelwe phansi lobo bufakazi uzofundelwa uhumushelwe, kanti ke nesithombe akhuluma ngaso lapha masengufundele isona lesi esubufakazi isiqephu B sikubonisa sona sokufundela bese ngiyakutshela ngalesithombe ukuthi kuthiwani lapha kuloba bufakazi.
Then Sergeant Mohani, it was Brigadier Gininda, me, the late Sergeant Mabena, and Sergeant Mohola. Then we asked him, were you traveling in one vehicle? He said, his response was, Sergeant Mohani, we were traveling in 2 cars. And we asked him, how were you traveling? Sergeant Mohani, this is on page 40. Me and Mabena, we were together in 1 car. Sergeant Mohola and Brigadier Gininda, they were together in their own car. Then we asked him, which vehicle were you using? He responded as follows at line 9. I was using a Toyota Fortuner. I'm unable to recall whether or not it was Sergeant Mohola or Brigadier Gininda were using the Golf 7. And then Sergeant Mohani, then we proceeded to go with Ntanzi. There were no problems. He appeared ethical and happy. We then arrived at the police station again at Phokeng. We then asked the police there again to accompany us to the residence of Ntanzi. They indeed gave us escort to go to the place in Phokeng. When we arrived, it was already dark. Ntanzi had his key in his pocket. Since he was handcuffed, I asked him to give me the key to his house. We then opened. His girlfriend was not there that day. We then went in together with him and Sergeant Mohola and Sergeant Mabena and the Pukem police. Brigadier Gininda stayed in the car and made calls. When we went into his house, we asked him for permission to search for that hoodie. That is now the hoodie that is in the picture, Exhibit B, as we've indicated, Exhibit BB. And he gave us permission. We conducted the search in his presence. There were some hoodies of similar colors, but we did not find the one that has the color that is in the picture, that is Exhibit BB. And then continue on page 42 at line 11, Sergeant Mokhani. Maybe still on the previous page at line 22, Sergeant Mokhani says, when I was looking amongst his clothes, I found a plastic that had some metal in it. It was a black plastic. Continue on page 42, line 11, Sergeant Mokhani. And then I told him I was looking for a hoodie, and now I'm finding this. He just kept quiet and looked at me. Then I said, now since I'm looking for a hoodie and now I'm finding this, I'm going to arrest you for it, but do you have a license for this? Then at line 22, he says he failed to answer, to explain. Then I arrested him and I read him his rights. From there, we closed his room and went to Pukem police station. I then opened the case there for having ammunition without a license. That case became Pukem 118/6/2020. And then we went back to him and we went to Gauteng Primrose police station. So we'll first give you the opportunity to go through the transcript with Mr. Mbatsani.
Ngizokufundela ke lapha ecaphuna khona ke umshushisi ebufakazini bukaMnumzane Mokhane obathulwa ngomhla zingu-2 kuNovember 2023 njengoba ngangishilo qala ke ekhasini lamashumi-39 u-39 phecelezi soqala la emgqeni we-15 lapho umshushisi ebuza khona kuMokhane ebuza ethi yabo kwenzekani ngemva kwalokho emva kokuba ke kungenwe enkantolo yaseVosloorus waphendula uMnumzane Mokhane siye sabona ukuthi kuseseyimini bekungakahlwi singasaqhubeka ngalo lona lelo cala esasikulo. Uyaqhubeka uMokhane uthi ngathinta uCaptain Gininda ngokwecingo noma ngathintana noCaptain Gininda ngase ngenza isiphakamiso kuyena ukuthi kumele siphindele ePokeng lapho ayehlala khona sihambe sizame ukuthola ihoodie ayeyigqokile kuseseyiyona efanayo nalena ebonakala esithombeni yiyona efana nalena siyofuna yona efana nalena ebonakala esithombeni.
Okay.
Sahamba ke saqonda eBukeng wabuza ke umshushisi wathi wena nobani wathi kwaku brigadier Kininda chaza iphoyisa lingubrigadier, yimina ngumufi uSergeant Mabhena kanye noSergeant Mohola.
Cela uma lapho. Usophinda siqhubeka ngicela uphendule le nkulumo.
The accused asked me to halt at page 40 on the first line. He wants to respond to that.
Yes.
Sosenkantolo,
My Lord,
kule nkulumo ekhulunywa la, kunomuntu ongabalwa ongangihamba naye. Lo ngicine ngasithiwa ubonganende.
on this version that is reflected here, there is a person who is not mentioned here. The one who was in my company, the one known as Bongani Yende.
Ya ngicine ngamna ngangazi ongangimbona lapha ecourt bengimeshina ngokuthi wayefakele yama-class band le ama-class band ebambe ibhlukela.
And when I saw him in court, he was wearing, my Lord, I forgot the word. The court help me.
Braces. Braces.
The braces. Yes, that was holding his trouser.
Umkhana kambali la ngicela siqhubeke.
Mohana is not mentioning him here in this portion. Then the interpreter may continue to interpret for me. Kubela ke ekhasini number 40 emgceni ke wesibili uyabuza ke umshushisi uthi nani hamba niyaphi ngenqola ubuza ukuthi nani hamba ngenqola eyodwa na uqobo uyaphendula umhana uthi sasihamba ngenqola ezimbili uyabuza ke ubaloyi uthi nani hamba kanjani uyaphendula ke umhani uthi yimina uMabhena sasihamba ngenqola eyodwa sisenqoleni eyodwa uSergeant Mohola noBrigadier Kininda babehamba bonke ngenqola eyodwa uyabuza ke umshushisi uthi yiphi le nqola enaniyisebenzisa uyaphendula umhani uthi sasisebenzisa mina ngangisebenzisa noma ngangihamba ngenqola ehlobo le Toyota Fortuner angisakhumbuli kahle ukuthi ingabe uSergeant Mohola kanye noBrigadier Kininda bebasebenzisa iGolf 7 na uyaqhubeka umshushisi uthi yebo uyaqhubeka umhane uthi sahamba ke sihamba noNtanzi kwakungenankinga futhi ke wayenibonakala enokuziphatha okuhle futhi enamile noma ethokozile sahamba saze safika enkanjini yamaphoyisa futhi yaseBokeng sacela ke amaphoyisa lapho ukuthi asiphelezele siye lapho kwakuhlala khona uNtanzi nembala basisiza ukusiphelezela ukuze siye kuleyo ndawo yaseBokeng safika kwasekuhlwile ngaleso sikhathi sekumnyama uNtanzi wayenokhiye esikhwameni sakhe ngenxa yokuthi uNtanzi wayefaka ozankosi ngamcela ukuthi anginikeze ukhiye wasendlini savula la kubhala ukuthi kwangasezwakala ukuthi kwavulwana kwathi ke intombi yakhe ayizona nayo yayingekho lapho ngalolo suku sangena phakathi sangena kanye noSergeant Mohola kanye noSergeant Mabhena kanye namaphoyisa aseBokeng uBrigadier Kininda yena wasala enqoleni ebhisi lapho ekhuluma noCimu sathi uma singena endlini sambuza samcela imvumo yokusesha sifune ihoodie okuyihoodie manje ebonakala kulesi sithombe sasifuna yona wasinikeza imvume Saqhubeka sasearcha ekhona kwakukhona amahudi emibala efana nayo. Kodwa ke asizange siyithole lena okuyiyona ebonakala esithondweni. Yes.
Yeah, ngicela ukuphendula.
May I please respond?
Yes.
Ngaphendula.
Nkosi enkantolo. Akuqala nje. Amaphoyisa akazasheshe endlini yakho.
My Lord, firstly, the police never searched at my house.
Nkosi enkantolo masifika eFreedom Park.
When we arrived at Freedom Park,
Imoto ifika yama kunendlela eyehlayo duzane nestrata lese Tavern istrata benhlala kuso.
the vehicle stopped. There is a road going down. Ngichazele futhi ukuthi yehla njani?
Ya kunekhona ejika ngayo kune Tavern to iPiki Tavern iTavern obaba umvenda sibika Piki Tavern. Pinky Tavern.
Or Pinky Tavern.
Yes.
So kunendlela ehamba iqonde lapho.
Ya kunendlela ehlabe sibelene straight eyalapha engihlala ngakhona.
But there is a road going down, and then there's another road that going straight, leading to where I stay. And at the corner there is a tavern known as Pinky Tavern.
Mayifika Nkosi enkantolo imoto imala eka Gininda imala ngaphambili nangema ngemuva nomhane siyalandelana kanje.
Okay, asenze kanje. Uma uthi imala inkantolo ayiboni ukuthi usho ini. Uma uthi imala usho ukuthi ime kuphi.
Ima angithi umgwaqo pavement la zimala icaka umgwaqo.
O eceleni komgwaqo.
Hayi lapha bengihlala ngakhona. Hayi muva kwakhona.
O ngemuva kwakhona.
Yeah.
When the vehicles arrived there, they stopped alongside the pavement, but not exactly where I stayed, but behind where I was staying.
Mabefika lapho Nkosi enkantolo bahambe bebangake bahambe kuMabhena ngumhula uGininda umhane ulowa amaXesband engcine ngazi ukuthi ubonga nende.
After arriving there, my lord, they went. How many were they? It was the following. It was one,
Mabhena,
Mabena,
Mohane,
Mohane,
Mohula,
Mofula,
Gininda
Kininda,
ilento amaXesband engcine ngazi ukuthi ubonga nende igama lakhe.
and the one who was wearing braces, the one ugcine wazi ukuthi ubonga niyena,
Yeah, ngcine ngazi ukuthi ubonga nende.
whom I eventually learned to know that he was Bongani Yende.
Ngoba behamba Nkosi enkantolo ngiyababona kuyakhanya lapha kunamapholi amalight amakhulu kuyakhanya mkhona.
As they were going, I could see them because the area was lit. There were, you can't say,
Amalight ayakhanya la aselapha ehlakona elokishini ayakhanya amalight lamakhulu.
there were these flats left where we stay in the township. They were on.
Mabefika Nkosi enkantolo bama kuphi egate abangeni ngaphakathi bama egate bo by5 mina ngisele emotweni namaphoyisa la asephukeni.
As they reached there or arrived there, they stood at the gate, and they did not go in, and I was remaining in the vehicle.
Mabebuya lapho ngiyabona bamile bayajika babuya beza kimi.
Uthi beme la uhlala ngakhona.
Beme egate lapha engihlala ngakhona.
And they were standing at the gate where I stayed.
Mabe
And as they now returned, I could see them approaching towards me.
mabebuya Nkosi enkantolo umhani lesi sikhathi sevula ifastela sengikhombisa ukuthi sithola nakhe endlini yakhe mina endlini ngabani.
After their return, Mohane opened the window and he shows me something and said, "We found this item." I asked him, "In whose house?"
Okwesibili Nkosi enkantolo ngifuna ukuphendula uthi umhani ukhiye wawuthola ke mina endlini yami Nkosi enkantolo ngisuke ngaphethe khiye.
And secondly, what I want to respond to is that Mohane says he found the key from me. When I departed, from my house, I was not carrying a key.
Ngoba ngishiye umuntu endlini okuyena osale wakhiya mina sengihambile ngaphethe khiye.
Due to that, I left a person or someone in the house.
Ngoba
And this is the person who remained with the key. I left without a key.
Ngoba Nkosi enkantolo kwazona lezi zinhlamvu abakhuluma ngazo angizange ngize ngizibone noma ngisho ikhoti yasehlabane yathi abazilethe azange abazilethe phambi kwekhoti.
Even the ammunition that they are referring to. I never saw them. Even at Shabani Court, the court requested them to bring them forth, and they never brought them.
ngisho ke iwarrant lo yokusesha zange bayiveze icourt mayicela.
Even the search warrant, they could not produce it when the court asked them.
Manje le nkulumo ekhunywa ngumkhana Nkosi kaTola ayilona iqiniso.
Now, my lord, all this that was said by Mukhane here, it's not the truth.
Sorry, so the house was locked, according to you,
So, ngokusho kwakho ke indlu
at
yayikhiyiwe
Freedom Park.
eFreedom Park.
Ngokusho kwami Nkosi kaTola ngoba kaze bangene ejalidini ngaphakathi.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
according to me, my lord, because they never went inside the yard.
Ngoba kwangeke lo muntu ongemshiya endlini Nkosi kaTola ashiye indlu engayikhiyanga.
Because the person that are left in the house would not leave the
Yeah,
house.
I hear you. So, but you are saying your evidence is they came all the way from Johannesburg, Boksburg, Vosloorus, at the court, Boksburg. They traversed the whole of the Transvaal right up to Rustenburg. They never got into the house. All five of them, they never got into the house.
Emagama uthi wena ke bahamba lonke lelo banga ukusuka eFosloras of Boksburg lapho basuka khona bahamba yonke le ndlela baze bayofika lena azange bangene endlini.
Azange bangene Nkosi
Yeah, fine.
kaTola.
I hear you. Then all they did was to accuse you of possession of ammunition, which you don't know about.
Bakwenza nje kuphela ukuthi ke manje bakubhece ngecala lokuthi ke lezinhlavu ungasilutho ngani.
Babengibhixa Nkosi enkantolo.
They were accusing me, my lord.
Yeah, fine. So, but after that, they took you to the police station,
Kulungile emva kwaloko bakuthatha bakuyise
opened a
emaphoyiseni
false charge against you,
bakuthwesa icala lamanga
and then they took you to, I don't know, Primrose.
and bakuthatha ke bakuyisa angazi kuphi ePrimrose.
Yebo Nkosi enkantolo.
Yes, my lord.
A brigadier, 2 warrant officers, and the other 2 guys, Mahola and Daniel. They all travel all this way, all this way. They don't even get into your house. Nothing.
Azange Nkosi kaTola bangene.
Bonke
Okay,
lapho
fine.
bashoyo bonke bahamba nawe lutho azange bangene.
Azange Nkosi kaTola bangene endlini.
They never entered, my lord.
Ngoba phela mabengena endlini Nkosi kaTola bathole bani egeyithini ngubani obavulela igate longena ngaphakathi.
Because if they said they went into the house, whom did they found at the gate? Who opened the gate for them to go inside?
Ngoba laphana kuleka abantu basebenza ebusuku kunabantu abasebenza ko 16 sharp ema-shaftini asedeni abavuka ngo-2 ngo-3.
Because people were sleeping, people work night shifts there. There are people who works at
Ema-shaftini akude abavuka ngo-3 ngo-4.
far away shafts, who wakes up very early around 3 and 4.
Ngoba Nkosi kaTola ngikubeke nje ngithi icacisela icourt le.
Maybe to clarify it for the court, to put it clear in this court.
Ngoba lapha Nkosi enkantolo ama-witness ayethu kwakungumhani nomhula.
Because there are 2 witnesses, namely Mukhane and Mukhula.
Uthe omunye icourt mayimbuza ukuthi uthola inhlamvu engaka wathi omunye uthola inhlamvu ezo-11.
When the court asked him how many bullets did he found there, he said found 11.
Omunye uthola inhlamvu ezo-38. Manje leyo nto le amaphoyisa nje lamasini amaphoyisa amakhulu la South Africa.
The other one says he found 38 bullets. These are police, senior police officers in South Africa.
Ngoba ngisho icourt isicela inhlamvu uGininda wayekhona ehlele ecourt icela inhlamvu icela bezilethe. Umhani uthi zigininde agcina ngabuyanga nazo.
And even when Kininda was seated there inside court, when the court asked ucela uMkhane, no?
Abathi akalethe inhlamvu ecourt wathi zigininde.
Mukhane was asked to produce or bring the ammunition to the court, and he said they are in Kininda's position,
Zagcina ingafikanga phambi kwecourt.
and eventually they will never reach the court.
Ngisho imini le kuthiwa mhlawumbe bahamba bazisa kwiballastic yagcina ingafikanga kwicourt kwayona.
Even the fingerprints, yayiswa ku-ballistic.
Angithi bathi mhlawumbe bayithatha bazisa kwiballastic basalinda lokhozi imiphumela agcina ingafikanga kwayona. lo mphumela ile yenhlamvu ukuthi
or
inhlamvu
imiphumela emhlamvu, I
Yeah.
mean.
yeah
Pardon me, my lord, the result of the ballistic test, because they said they took the ammunition for ballistic test. The results were never produced in court.
Now, Mr. Ntanzi, sorry, before Mr. Mbazani proceeds, just on the basis of what you have just testified now,
Mnumzane Ntanzi, uxolo ngaphambi kokuthi ke waqhubeke ke utolika khumshele lokho kuni. Ngenxa yalokhu uqeda ukukusho manje.
were there hoodies in your room?
Ayekhona amahudi na ekamelweni lakho?
into ibigcwele kusekade bengamajacket emayini
Mostly what was there were the mined jackets.
Sir, we are-
i-tracksuit ibikhona le engigcine ngiyithola ngelanga labuthelezi engangigqoke ekhoti uma ngiye-Boksburg.
There was a tracksuit that I eventually found on Buthelez's day, which I wore when I went to court.
the tracksuit that you're talking about, is it a hoodie?
Le tracksuit okhuluma ngayo yilena ehamba ibe nesigqoko esivala ikhanda endiboza ikhanda kusuka ngemuva.
ngikhuluma ngo-tracksuit emkanje
I'm talking about a tracksuit that is similar to this. The witness or the accused is showing the court a gray hooded sweater, top, my lord. The court can take.
So that is a hoodie, or what is it?
Iyona hoodie lena.
hayi mina ngibiza nge-tracksuit angiyazi ukuthi ibizwa ngani lapha ekhoti
My lord, I call it a tracksuit. I don't know how the court describe it.
So it's a short, let's see the length of it. Does it reach the feet?
Asibona,
It
iyafinyelela.
doesn't reach the feet.
Ayifinyelele ezinyaweni uma ugqokile.
It's a half tracksuit.
Ihalf ye tracksuit, angithi?
ayifike enyaweni
Yes, it doesn't
Iphelele
reach the
lapha.
feet. It ends up here, the
Okay.
top part.
But it has a hoodie, is it correct?
Kodwa inaso lesigqoko esimboza kusukela ngemuva ekhanda, angithi?
inaso nanje i-tracksuit angithi nathi ngiyibambile
Yes, it does have, but it's a tracksuit. Here is it, I'm holding it.
We just want to show you exhibit DD4B.
Sithanda ukukhombisa ubufakazi obubhaliswe ngesiqephu DD4B.
We'll just show the
Sizokukhombisa la,
hoodie on the screen.
sizokukhombisa ke leyo hoodie lana ke escreenini.
Is this the hoodie that you're referring to, or the tracksuit that, as you put it, that you're referring to?
Iyona le tracksuit ke ochaza wena.
cha akusiyo la ngisho i-tracksuit angigqoke ekhoti e-Boksburg akusiyo
Not this particular one. I'm referring to mine that I was wearing in court in Boksburg. It's not this one.
Are you saying that the one that you were wearing during your appearance in Boksburg is the one that was brought to you on the 13th of July, 2020, after your appearance in the Tlhabane court?
Oh, ngabe uchaza ukuthi lena owayigqokile enkantolo yilena owalethelwa yona ngomhla zing-13 July 2020 ngemva kokuthi usuvelile enkantolo.
ngesikhathi ngithola ngathi but yona tracksuit bengiyigqoka uma ngihamba ikhoti
Yes, that was the time when I took receipt for it. But that's the tracksuit that I was wearing when I attended court.
lena nje le iselokhalini lami eshaftini lapho engangisebenza khona bebe ngiyifaka ngaphansi bese avarolo ngaphezulu
This particular one, the witness points to the one depicted on the screen, my lord. It's at my locker at the shaft where I used to work.
Now, the one that you say was brought to you on the 13th of July 2020, is it similar to this one on exhibit DD4B, the one that has got red and black colors?
Lena Oti, can you repeat the question? The one
Yes.
that you said?
Yes.
The first one.
The one that you say you were wearing, that was brought to you on the 13th of July 2020 after your appearance.
Lena
at-
uthi wayilethelwa nge-13 zikaJuly 2020 owase uyigqoka emva kokuthi ulethelwe yona ngemva kokuthi ungenile enkantolo.
Is it similar to this one on the screen,
Ngabe-
which is part of exhibit DD4B?
Iyafanana yini noma ihlobo olufanayo nalena evela escreenini na?
Cha, asifani. Lena ibomvu i-navy ngezansi. Yeah.
No, they are not the same. This one is red, but its bottom part, it's navy.
I-tracksuit bengiyigqoka kosenkantolo eBosberg. Iso umbala wayo. Phela umbala inombhalo la. La ngisakhumbula umbala khona ama ubomvu omunye umhlophe omunye ngisayikhumbula imbala yakhona la esifubeni.
The tracksuit that I used to wear when I was appearing in Boksburg, it's similar to this one, its color. The accused is showing the gray one, but it has a writing on at the front. The writing is red, white, and the other color I cannot remember of the writing in front.
But it has a hoodie, is it correct?
Kodwa ke inayo lengxenye yesigqoko esimboza kusuka ngemuva. Kunjalo?
Ina tracksuit le. Angiphiki ina ama tracksuit. Ngiyagqoka ama tracksuit.
Yes, it does have. It does have, but I'm not denying it. I do wear those tracksuits.
We just want to show you a multicolored tracksuit with a hoodie. Is that the one that you are referring to?
Sithanda ukukhombisa ke i-tracksuit enemibala eminingi enhlobonhlobo
Which is part of exhibit DD4B.
enesembozo noma isigqoko esiqhamuka ngemuva esimboza ikhanda.
Is it the one that you're referring to?
Iyona osho yona le.
Yona tracksuit bengiyigqoka mangihamba ecourt le bengihlala na ngisho ema police station.
This is the tracksuit that I used to put on when I was attending court. And the one, uthi bowuhlala nayo kuphi?
Le bengiyigqoka mangecourt esikhathi ngisahlala ema police station yona tracksuit le.
Usahlala kuphi?
Ema police station.
Police station.
Yes.
The one that I used to stay with while I was kept at the police stations.
This is on page 2534 of 5471. So you say when the police went to Puking looking for the hoodie on the 19th of June 2020, this tracksuit with a hoodie, which appears on page 2534 of 5471 exhibit DD4B, was in your room.
Lena tracksuit uyayisho umthushisi ukuthi itholakala ekhasini 2534 kumakhasi angu-5471 uthi le tracksuit le uma kuyiwa ePhuken yayisekamelweni lakho.
Yeah.
Yes,
Nenye Adidas.
and another one which was an Adidas label one.
Was it also a hoodie?
Nayo futhi kwakuyilena enesembozo isigqoko sesimboza ngemuva
Or
ngekhanda.
did it have a hoodie as well?
Noma yayinaso lesimbozo sesimboza ikhanda kusukela ngemuva.
I-tracksuit anti ithengwa so idibene.
Yes, the tracksuit is bought similar to this one. It's all combined.
That Adidas tracksuit with a hoodie, is it on any of the photos that we have shown you on exhibit DD4B?
Ngabe leyo tracksuit leyo nayo enesembozo njengayo le ngabe ikhona yini kulezithombe esikukhombise zona ubufakazi DD4B na ikhona kwezinye zalelo ithombe esikukhombisa zona
Cela ungiphindela.
ngabe kulezithombe okuthiwa wazikhonjiswa lezithombe zithi uma zinikezwa inkantolo sanikezwa inombolo ethi DD4B leyo tracksuit ikhona kulezo zithombe na
Azange ngibone ngoba ithombe ezinye ivele wafi zivela amakhanda ivele ngapha sinezansi.
I did not see due to that some of the photos do not depict the full tracksuit. It depicts only the head part of the tracksuit, not the entire part of the tracksuit.
Now, we are going to show you a garment that appears on page 2856 of 5471 exhibit DD4B.
Sizokhombisa nansi ingubo kuleyo nombolo yezithombe.
Was this garment also in your room when the police went to Puking
Ngabe nalena
on
ngubo
the 19th of
nalena mpahla oyikhonjiswa lana nayo
June
yayikhona
2020?
yayikhona yini ekamelweni lakho ngenkathi amaphoyisa aya ke kwakho repeating the date for me
19 June 2020.
that's 19 zika June 2020
Cha.
no
Now, except for the two tracksuits that you mentioned, the one that appears on the multicolored one that appears on page 2534, as well as the Adidas one, were there any other hoodies?
ngaphandle kwaleya ngubo okhonjiswe yona ya tracksuit okhonjiswe yona kuqala yemibalabala eminingi etholakala ekhasini 2534 nalena Adidas kwakukhona yini amanye ama-hoodies
Noma sengasakhumbula kahle ukuthi kodwa into yayininkosi enkantolo ama-jacket enkampani.
even though I won't remember so well, my lord, what was mostly there was the company jackets.
Do they also have hoodies?
Now, ama-jacket lawo ngabe analezigqoko njengalezi zama-tracksuit.
Amanye awanazo.
Some of them don't.
And some of them do, is that correct?
Amanye wawo anazo. Kunjalo.
Anesigqoko anti ibhale ukuthi impala nkampani inesigqoko sakhona la siphuma la kunoZipho inesigqoko sakhona esikhulu.
They do. They are marked Impala Company. Then they have its hoodie with a zip. The witness depicts a zip alongside, it depicts on the side of the collar there.
Are they similar to this one on page 2856 of
Angabe afanana na?
5471 exhibit DD4B?
Angabe afanana nalesi esikhonjiswayo inombolo yakho nayibizayo umshushisi.
Cha awafana.
No, they are not similar.
But those outfits that you refer to, the work-issued outfits that have got hoodies on, were they in your room when the police went to search on the 19th of June 2020?
Kodwa leyo mpahla ke ochazayo ukukhuluma ngayo enaninikezwa ke umsebenzi othi ke nayo inazo lezi gqoko esingazibiza ngama-hoodie azo yayikhona yini ekamelweni lakho ngalolo suku uma kuyiwa le kwakho ezi-19 zika June 2020
Cha akaze ngenwe endlini yami ijacket yami yayikhona ngaphakathi endlini akaze ngenwe lapho engangihlala khona.
No, my house was never entered into, but there was a jacket where I stayed, but it was never entered into.
Which jacket are you referring to?
Eyiphi le jacket osho yona?
Ngikhuluma ngamajaketi ezimpala phambi kwenkosi enkantolo la ayegcwele ku-Odrop endlini.
My lord, we're talking about the Impala jackets that were full in the wardrobe where I stayed, in the house.
And you said some of those Impala jackets had hoodies on.
Uthi
Some, some did not.
amanye lawo majacket ayena lezigqoko esisibiza ngehoodie, amanye ayengenazo.
Nkosi enkantolo amajaketi ekapani analento le ephambana engathi iwuseyini ngazi bayithi thina ishesha bonakala ngiyazi ukuthi ibizwa ngani ngelimi lolunye.
My lord, the company jackets have got that reflector which make it a person easily visible.
Lo jacket yakho inesigqoko sakhona sikhulu isigqoko sakhona.
Those particular jackets, it will have its isigqoko lesisimboza ngemuva sir.
Isigqoko esithwala ekhanda.
It has this hoodie, but its own hoodie, but that's a large one.
Lawo majaketi la angangena amanzi ke ngaphakathi.
And they are waterproof, those jackets.
So, Mr. Ntanzi, your evidence is that when the police went to look for the hoodie that's shown on Exhibit BB, the tracksuit as depicted with a hoodie that's depicted on page 2534 of 5471, the multicolored one, the Adidas tracksuit with a hoodie, as well as the Impala jackets with large hoodies were in your room. Is that correct?
Mnumzana Ntanzi, ngabe usitshela ukuthi ke the tracksuit yemibalabala okhonjiswe yona la ku page 2534 kanye nale tracksuit ye Adidas enayo inesigqoko sayo, kanti ke nama jackets akho Impala lawa ayenesigqoko sawo amakhulu ayesekamelweni lakho uma niya lapha konke kwakusekamelweni lakho.
Mina ngikushiye ekameleni la ngoba la ngiphindanga ngangena endlini yami. Ngagcina endlini yami ngoJune 16 mangiboshwa.
I left it in my room because I never entered again in my room. I left it there. I last was in my room on the June of 16 during my arrest.
The Adidas tracksuit, what color is it?
The tracksuit the Adidas ingumbala unjani
The one with the hoodie?
le nesigqoko sayo sehoodie.
Ibibomvu.
It was red.
You see, the evidence of Sergeant Mukhani that you've just read out to you on page 41
Uyabona ubufakazi buka Sergeant Mukhane esiqeda ukufunda sikufundele bona ekhasini u41.
during the proceedings of 2 November 2023, to the effect that he says we conducted a search in his presence. There were some hoodies of similar colors, but we did not find the one that has the color that is in the picture. In other words, the one that's in Exhibit BB.
Ubufakazi bakhe abethula ngomhla zimbili kuNovember 2023 uthi sasesha ekhona naye usho ukuthi ukhona wena kodwa ke sawathola ama hoodies emibala efananayo kodwa ke asizange siyithole le ekhonjiswa isithombe.
Nkosi enkantolo akulona iqiniso ukuthi endlini yami ngaseshwa. Azange ngingene endlini yami kuyoseshwa. Bavule ngani ngoba ukhiwa ungekho.
My lord, it is not true that a search was conducted in my house because it was not entered into my house. with what could they have opened? Because there was no key.
Ake sikuyeke-ke kwasendlini egeyithini bangene ngani.
Let's even leave the house alone. At the gate, how did they gain entrance?
But sir, on your own admission, the way hoodies, at least you mentioned two, the one on page 2534, multicolored one, the Adidas one, your work issued jackets that have large hoodies. Those were in your room.
Kodwa wena ngokwakho uyavuma mnumzana ukuthi ke ekamelweni lakho kwakukhona lama hoodies esikhuluma ngawo. Yokuqala lena yembalabala eminingi okhonjiswe yona lana esithombeni bese kuba yilena ye-Adidas bese kuba yilena ke leze impala jackets naso esineyigqoko zakhona. Uthi zonke lezi zazikhona ekamelweni lakho.
I-tracksuit ne-jacket, mina ngazi izinto ezingafani lezo.
A tracksuit and a jacket, to me, it's items that are not the same.
Lena kimi i-tracksuit le.
To me, this one that I'm holding, it's a tracksuit.
Yes, but can we come back?
I-jacket le egqoko I-choose number 3 umncobo i-jacket le. Uma inesigqoko i-jacket, akusho i-tracksuit le. I-jacket inesigqoko i-jacket.
And the jacket that is worn by accused number 3, Mngobu, if it has its hoodie on, it's a jacket. It's not a tracksuit, it's a jacket.
Now, can we come back to the original question, which is the following?
Kodwa ke asiphindele emuva kulo mbuzo uqale ngikubuze wona.
When the police went to search for the hoodie at your room on the 19th of June 2020, on your own version, the tracksuit with a hoodie that appears on page 2534 of 5471, the multicolored tracksuit, as well as the Adidas tracksuit with a hoodie, and the work-issued jackets with large hoodies were in your room.
Uma amaphoyisa ngezi-19 zika June 2020 eyalena ekamelweni lakho, le tracksuit ekhonjiswe ekhasini 2534, okuyi-tracksuit oyikhonjiswe lana esithunjeni enemibalabala kanye neyohlobo lwe-Adidas, kanti-ke futhi nale mpahla yomsebenzi oyishoyo kwakusekamelweni lakho.
Yebo Nkosi enkantolo.
Yes, my lord.
Now, if you say the police did not enter your room, how would they have known that there were hoodies in your room?
Uma ke wena uthi mnumzana amaphoyisa awazange angene ekamelweni lakho, azi kanjani ukuthi kwakukhona le mpahla zama-hoodies ekamelweni lakho?
Ingabo ngithi ngitshela ikhothe ukuthi akulona iqiniso. Phela uma ngibosha umhana ungenile endlini yami, u-odrop uvulekile some. Angivalile.
Hence, my lord, I'm telling this court that that is not true. Remember, when I was arrested, Mohane did enter my house. The wardrobe was opened.
Siphinde kwesi2 ukube mina ngaya endlini yami ngangena endlini yami nge-19 ngangizoyithatha iy'mpahla zokushintsha ngangena iy'mpahla zokushintsha nay'nto zokugeza ngangingenazo.
If we had gone to my house and I had entered my room on the 19th, I would have taken some of my clothes since I did not have a change of clothes.
And you say the Pukem police were also there as well, is that correct?
Uthi wena amaphoyisa asePhukeng nawo ayekhona futhi lapho.
Ngangishiyeke nawo emuva uma bephuma bona behamba bayalapha babaya khona ngangishiyeke nawo la egade mina.
I was left with them behind, who were keeping guard of me. Right back, I remained with them whilst they walked over there.
Awazange aye ejaledini amaphoyisa asePhukeng ngalelo langa le-19.
The Phukeng police never went towards the yard on that particular day, the 19th.
Did you not say that Sergeant Mokola, Mohani, Yende, Gininda, and Mabena stood at the gate with of your room with the Pukem police?
awuzange uthi wena uSergeant Mohula Mohane Yende noGininda bema lapha egate lakho kabe kanye namaphoyisa asePhokeng?
Cha, azange ukukhulume lokho.
No, I never said that, my lord.
Mina ngithe egate nami kuhamba abantu abayi5 labengibabale phambili kodwa amaphoyisa asePhukeng ngangisele nawo la.
I said
Kwakumkhona imoto.
towards my gate went 5 police, or 5 people, and the rest were remaining with me where I was.
Now, when Sergeant Mohani came to you, you say he had a plastic.
Uma uSergeant Mohane eza kuwena uthi wena wayene plastic,
And said he found it in your room, is that correct?
wathi ulifice noma ulithole ekamelweni lakho.
Usho njalo kimi kusho yena.
That's what he said to me.
Uthi nithola nakhe endlini yakho. Uthi ubambe lapha emlomeni so. Uthi ngithola nakhe endlini yakho kwenza so kimi.
He was holding it at the mouth of the plastic, and he said to me, doing like this, he was saying, I found this in your house.
Mina ngiyambuza ngithini le.
I asked him, what is this?
Uthi izinhlavu uthi uyithatha apha endlini yangu mina ngiyakubona kwazi ungena endlini ngiyamtshela phambi khona lapha.
He said, these are ammunition. I said, where did you get it? In my house, because I could see that he did not enter.
Now, when Sergeant Mohani and the other police went to your gate, did Sergeant Mohani have that plastic in his possession?
Manje uma uSergeant Mohane kanye namanye amaphoyisa beya ngasesangweni lakho. Bonile yini ana lelo plastic nalawo maphoyisa?
Kuse nkantolo uplastic akaze ngubona. Nalapha eza kimi uplastic akaze ngubona uphethe uzongikhombisa mevula iwindow ukuthi endlini yakho ngithola nakho.
My lord, I did not see the plastic. Neither when they were approaching back to me, I did not see the plastic. He just shows it to me when he was opening the window and saying, in your house I found this.
Asikhulumi ngoplastic omkhulu ngasikhuluma ngoplastic omncane, uplastic nje omncane kahle. Hayi ngisho uplastic ongayi, plastic nje lamancane.
My lord, we are not talking about a big plastic bag here. We are talking about a small plastic bag.
Now, where did Sergeant Mohani find that plastic bag?
Uyithole phi ke uSergeant Mohane leyo plastic?
Ngiyethemba uSergeant Mohane
Le mani
bekhona.
ungaphendula ummeli.
Objection.
Usafuna ukuphikisa le
I
mbuzo.
don't know what is the relevance of this piece of cross-examination and this piece of evidence here, because Ntanzi has said that there's already been dealt with there at Phokeng, where he was ultimately acquitted. So I don't know how does that feature in this trial, my lord, because we seem to be taking a very long detour that goes to nowhere, my lord. Yeah, we are here about the events that took place on the 26th of October 2014. There's nowhere in which it is alleged in the allegation that took place on the 26th of October 2014 that there was a piece of a plastic that was found in possession of this witness. So that it's totally irrelevant from what the court must ultimately make a determination on. It's
Well, in our submission, my lord, this is relevant to test the credibility of this witness evidence. He says the police stood there at the gate and came back with the plastic and said, and Sergeant Mohani said, we found this plastic in your room. And according to him, they did not even search the premises, but Sergeant Mohale testified about the fact that hoodies were found in his room. We submit that it is relevant to show, to test credibility.
okay.
Kunempikiswano la ebekwa ngummeli othi ke uyabona ukuthi manje sekuyaphambuka empeleni sekukhulunywa ngodaba alungaphathelene necala esikhuluma ngalo la ngoba la sikhuluma ngazehlakalo ezenzeke ngomhla ka26 kuOctober kulo 2014. So kodwa ke manje kuyacaca ke ngokusho kwakhe ukuthi umshushisi usethatha impambo yalena kude ngendaba engasaphathelananga ngaloko esize ngako. So uyayiphendula ke umshushisi uthi mina ngiyabona ukuthi iphathelene nalolu daba ngoba lana kuhlolwa indaba yokwethembeka kumangalelwa ome lapha njengofakazi namhlanje ngoba yena ukhuluma indaba yokuthi bafikile lapha beza sebaphethe ke uplastic uthi kulingwa la kuvivinywa indaba yokwethembeka ake sizwe isinqumo somehluleli ukuthi uthini.
And we just in addition,
kwengeza phezu kwaloko futhi
we wish to refer to what counsel, Advocate Nisi himself, plays on record during the cross-examination of Sergeant Mohani on the 24th, page 24, during the proceedings of 14 November 2023. Advocate Nisi.
It's unknown because the interpreter has correctly pointed out that let us wait for the court to make a decision. Then the state stands up and say, let me put on record what Advocate means. What do I have to do with whether or not the bullets were found in possession of Mr. Ntanzi? I'm nowhere there. All that I'm saying is what the state is doing now is embarking on an irrelevant terrain because the terrain in which we are busy with here are the events that took place on the 26th of October 2014. If the state wants to test the credibility, Mr. Ntanzi's credibility, let it go to those items, very straight to what happened on the 26th of October 2014. What I put on record today, if that has got nothing to do with what happened on the 26th of October 2014, it means myself I was also irrelevant. But the interpreter has correctly said, let us wait for the court to make a ruling. And in fact, it is me who is supposed to be answering because I've made an objection, there was a response, then I need to answer. Not answer, I need to reply. The state can only have one opportunity in response. It cannot respond twice. But now it wants to place other information. I don't know if that information will also be relevant here or still be irrelevant.
Malat,
Let's hear you, Mr.
We're not responding to, we've already responded to that. We continue.
Yeah, but in any case in South Africa, credibility is of prime importance. Any case, in any court. If a counsel addresses me and says he's testing the credibility of a witness, that is justified.
Yes.
I can't say it's irrelevant because I don't know where he's going to.
Yes. And
inkantolo ithi nanoma iliphi icala ke eNingizimu Afrika indaba sokuvivinywa kokwethembeka icaleni kufakazi othize kuyinto ebaluleke kudaba olubaluleke kakhulu uthi uma omele umbuso noma omele abamangaleli esukuma beka isizathu sabo ukuthi ngivivinya la ukwethembeka uthi ke angeke ngikucithe lokho ngoba ngimazi ukuthi uholela ngalolu daba.
I just want to rubber stamp what Advocate Nisi stood about. The credibility with which Mr. Ntanzi is being challenged on, whether there was a plastic bag brought to the car by Mohani and what happened to that plastic bag. It's a credibility under CAS 1186 of 2020, which is the Tlhabane case. Pertaining to this matter, Mr. Baloyi has already, in my opinion, made his point. The point is that he says, Mohani said, we searched his house, we found hoodies of different colors, but not the color that we were looking for as exhibited in Exhibit BB.
Yeah, that's not how I understand the evidence. You know what? I've been sitting here, I've listened to Mr. Ntanzi, for instance, saying that pertaining to the Rustenburg case, Mr. whoever, who's this attorney? Mr. Mjako was never his attorney. Are you listening?
I'm listening.
Mr. Mjako was never my attorney. I never had an attorney at such and such a place. And it has got nothing to do with the case here, according to your reasoning.
My lord, it overlaps. It overlaps.
That's the
Mijako
point.
acted both
Yes, it
ways.
overlaps.
But with representation, not this plastic
No,
bullet
it's about
thing.
credibility. Because the state says Mr. Giago was representing accused here in Phuket, etc., etc., etc.
Yes.
And the witness, as he's entitled to, he says that's not correct, never happened. And this court must decide where the truth lies.
That's the
Okay.
court process, my lord, even though I don't understand. That's the court process.
Yes, sir.
My lord, just we're proceeding with cross-examination. We're not putting on record, we're not responding to the objection. We want to confront the witness with what was said during cross-examination of Sergeant Khani, as appears on page 24 during the proceedings of 14 November 2023, at line 5, Advocate Nisi says, it is not disputed that from Roka they went to Phuket. He was debating with the court, and the court said, right, Advocate Nisi, where they went to search for the hoodie, and Ntanzi was there, and it says, and some, it then becomes inaudible. Then at page 25, line 10, Advocate Nisi, basically what I'm saying, my lord, is that it appeared to me that it is not in dispute that at one moment on the 19th, Ntanzi, in the company of the investigating team, drove to Phuket with a view to go and search for further evidence in the name of a hoodie. Fortunately, when they searched there, then they found other evidence that then incriminated him in respect of unrelated offenses.
Yeah, that's how I understand the evidence.
Yes.
That's, although Mr. Mtansir, as he rightfully has the right to do that, he says these policemen, they went all the way from Boxbeck, all the way they drove, six of them, including a brigadier. They didn't search there, they never searched there. But there's evidence, which I have not yet accepted, from Mhola to say, Gininda said they must go and try and search where Mr. Ntanzi lives, so that if possible they can discover the hoodie, which apparently was worn by the so-called intruders in the home. So it's relevant, that thing, relevant. If I accept that the police went to search at that house, it's relevant, the credibility. Now you're saying, he says it's irrelevant, it's irrelevant. The police say they went to search, not for the case concerning ammunition, but for the case of the murder of Senzo. That's the evidence this court has been listening to.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, please.
That is the point that I was standing on. Searching for the hoodie is one aspect. But now to take a detour and start to talk about the bullets that ultimately Ntanzi was acquitted on, which you allegedly found in his possession, that's the irrelevant, that is the point that I was standing on. And I said that was irrelevant insofar as the trial is concerned. But searching for the hoodie, I never said that was not relevant, my lord.
Yes, Mr.
Yeah, indaba lana ke madoda ukuzwisisa nje kafushane ngenisongele ngeke ngisho konke yonke imininingwane ukuthi solokudonsiswana kuphikiswana ngendaba yokuthi ngabe lento iphathelene naleli cala na.
Well-
Indaba isekutheni ummeli uthi uma sekukhulunywa ngendaba yenhlalo kuyaphambuka ngoba uMtanzi wakhishwa nakulelo cala kusaphathelelanga lomhlaba. Kodwa ke uma ke kukhulunywa ngendaba yokuthi amaphoyisa ahambile aya lapha ngoba ayofuna ke lokho sikubiza ngehood, yebo lokho kuphathelene necala. So yiloko ke nizokudonsiswana ngakho. Uqhubeka kodwa umshushisi abuze ngalokwathi kuphathelene nokuvivinywa kokuthembeka kwakhe kulena la.
Really, man, we don't want to belabor the point, but I don't know whether one can separate the search for the hoodie and the search for the what they found during the search. The two are so inextricably interwoven that you can't really separate them. The fact of the matter is whether did the police search his room? He says they didn't search it. But we're now saying they did search, and as proof that they searched the room, this is what they found. That's all that we're saying. And we now quoting the relevant passages of the discussion that council had with the court to show what their standpoint was at the time. That's-
Uthi ke umele ke umbuzo uthi angazi noma singakwazi ukuyihlukanisa lezi zinto ngoba ngempela zithi azithanda ukugaqana uma usibheka lezi zinto ngoba amaphoyisa aya lapha ayofuna amahuthi ekufuneni kwawo amahuthi athi thina sifumene lokho uthi uyabona ukuthi lezi zinto zithanda ukuthi zigaqane ke lapha kodwa ke manje uthi ke sizochubeka ke manje sibheke lamaphuzu aphathelene naloko sibuze ngaloko.
Mina nje ngempendulo efishane phambi kwakhona. Osenkantolo indlame akaziseshwe.
My Lord, in short, my response before this court is that my house was never searched.
Yeah.
Do you have
Yes.
any comment on what council said, the passage that we've just quoted?
As it pleases the court, my lord. Again, the state must not put this as a matter of fact. I said, as far as I understand the evidence, I never said that that was the case. It was just my assessment of the evidence. I could have been wrong, I could have been right. So this witness must not be confronted on what my assessment of the evidence was, because I am not the court. Thank you, my lord.
Umshishisi uthanda ukafuna ukuthi ubuze manje ngaloko okushiwo ngumeli ubaba umnisi. Uthi ke ubaba umnisi uma esho uthi ekubuseni kwami ngithe mina ngokuzwisisa kwami angathi vele amaqiniso athi akungabuza kwangathi vele lokhu ibona ubufakazi obubekiwe mina ngithe ngokuzwisisa kwami kungahle kwenzeke ngiqinisile kungahle kwenzeke akunjalo so akangabuzwa ukuthembeka kwakhe ngenxa lokhu mina engikushilo ngumnisi.
It's all on record, my lord. We're not going to, in the interest of progress in the matter, we're not going to pursue these issues further.
Uthi ke
Safe to-
umshishisi uma ibeka hayi konke kukhona ke ucaphuniwe kukhona erecording ngeke salandelela leli phuzu ukuze sikwazi ukuqhubekela phambili ke asiqhubekele phambili nalelo phuzu.
Safe to say that the evidence of Sergeant Mokhane was that Brigadier Gininda stayed in the car and made calls. He did not disembark from the vehicle to join Sergeant Mokhane Mukhola Mabena when they were searching for the hoodie.
Ngaphandle nje kokuphawula ukuthi ke ubufakazi bomunye wabo buthe uBrigadier Gininda wasala enqoleni akazange ahambe nabo Sergeant Mokhane Mukhola noMabena uma bayofuna amahudi.
Akulona iqiniso lelo nkosenkantolo.
That is also not true, my lord.
Ngoba kwayena umkhana kambale lo muntu wamaklesi band wayekhona wayehamba nabo no Gininda.
Because Mokhane himself does not now mention the person who was in their company, which I say was wearing braces, who was in their company with Gininda.
You were sharing the room with your girlfriend Lebo, is that correct? The one at Freedom Park?
Nanhlala kanye no Lebo kuleli kamelo lase Freedom Park.
Ubevakasha unekubo.
She would come visit there. She has her own parental homestead.
And how did she gain access to the room?
Wayekwazi kanjani ungena kanjani erumini lakho? Wayekhona kanjani ukuthi angene erumini lakho?
Angithi ngikhona.
I would be present there.
Did each have their own, did you have your own key and she had her own?
Wayenayo ukhiye wakhe ukuvula nawe unokhiye wakho?
Cha.
No,
Was there only one key?
kwakunokhiye oyedwa kuphela.
Yeah, ikhiya zihlala kwi-clock card yami. I-clock card lenclock emsebenzini sayilenga la kuyo.
is those key were kept in my clock cart that I use at work to clock with.
So you are,
They
the
were
one,
hanging in that clock cart.
you are the one who kept the key to the room.
Or when wawugcina ukhiye ungena kamelweni.
Ubuhlala kimi ukhiye.
Yes, I was keeping the key.
Ngoba ngisho khona mangizoya emsebenzini obevuka akhiye ibhaqla phela kangakhiye umnyango. Mangibuya ngizobuya ngingene endlini nami.
Even when I was present, when I was leaving for work, she would only ngiphindele ukhiya in.
Ube push ibhaqla inomshudo khona lo so apusha nje uthi lock. Mase hambe mhlambe ekhaya kubo.
When I went to work, if she's left and then she is leaving for her homestead, she would just put the butler door, and then just push lock the butler, and then the key, I had the key, I would be able to open.
Scott, please, Manotho, so you've come to the end of our normal court sitting time. Can we adjourn until tomorrow?
Okay. Yeah, we adjourn.